Connex and the Victorian State Government are working closely together to develop a new operating plan to deliver more capacity on the Melbourne network. Since 1999, we've increased the number of services by 1,300 services a week across the network. The November timetable will see the introduction of 328 new and extended services. 277 of these services will be new services a week, and 51 services will be extensions to existing services. These services will be introduced in the peak on the Sydenham, Werribee and Epping corridors, and after 8:30 p.m. in the off-peak periods there will be additional services on the Lilydale, Belgrave, Dandenong, Cranbourne and Pakenham corridors. Currently, Werribee line trains have to cross across other trains before entering the city loop, and ultimately this constrains our capacity. From November, Werribee line trains will be operating direct to Flinders Street, with the passengers able to change trains at Southern Cross onto dedicated loop services. What this has meant is that we're able to add in an extra 5 AM peak services a week and 5 PM peak services a week, in addition to other services, to help meet the growing demand on the Werribee corridor. To complement our efforts on the western side of the city to untangle the network, we're also addressing some issues on the eastern side of the city. Currently in the morning peak, services operate from Epping and Hurstbridge via the city loop to Flinders Street Station. Then in the afternoon, the services originate from Flinders Street Station and operate via the city loop out to Epping or Hurstbridge. From November, we'll be running the loop in one direction all day, with services running from Epping and Hurstbridge to Flinders Street, around the loop and back out to Epping or Hurstbridge. Importantly, this eliminates a key junction near Jolimont, which currently impacts on the reliability and the capacity of this corridor. By eliminating this conflict, it enables us to introduce new trains in November and prepare the network for the arrival of additional trains in the near future. In 2009 there'll be a timetable change which will increase inter-peak frequency, and that will start a program of increased inter-peak frequencies into the future. From the end of 2009 we'll start to take delivery of the new trains, and from that point in time there'll be a rolling series of timetable changes to integrate those trains into the network, providing capacity on key corridors to meet the growing demand that we're experiencing in Victoria.